Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp web on your PC. This is a new update, so the process is slightly different than before. But don't worry, it's still very easy to do. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be able to take control of your messages and prevent them from disappearing. 1. Open WhatsApp web first. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp web application or visiting web.whatsapp.com. 2. Go to Settings. Once you're on the WhatsApp web interface, look at the left side menu and locate the gear icon. This will open a menu with various options. 3. Enter Privacy. In the Settings panel, you'll find several options to customize your WhatsApp experience. Look for and click on Privacy to proceed. 4. Find Default Message Timer. Within the privacy settings, scroll down until you find the Default Message Timer option. This is where you can control the disappearing messages feature. 5. Turn off disappearing messages. Click on Default Message Timer to reveal a list of available options. To disable disappearing messages entirely, select Off from the list. And that's it! You've successfully disabled disappearing messages in WhatsApp web. Now your messages will no longer disappear automatically. Anyone in the chat can disable disappearing messages at any time. If you disable disappearing messages, you won't have the option to keep them. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.